If you guys have watched the videos on our channel, you will find that we have reviewed quite a lot of rugged devices, most of which are very tough phones. But today we got a rugged smartwatch for you, which is the KOSPER Tank X1. The brand KOSPER is quite professional in the field of the rugged smartwatches, and they've launched quite a few rugged models in global market. The KOSPER Tank X1 that we are going to talk about is their latest lightweight product, which is also surprisingly at competitive pricing. Now let's check out what we got from the package. The box is pretty solid in the rugged style, and almost all the information printed on the surface is indicating that the watch is built for tough uses. You can see the certification of military standard A10H, Gorilla Glass for scratch-free, IP69K high-pressure water resistance, and even a 2-year warranty. Now unbox it, and what we have inside basically is the user manual, the charging dock, and the Tank X1 smartwatch. While the watch is pretty different from almost all the smartwatches or smart bands we've ever reviewed, the shell is made of a metal with a decent matte finish, which has a gray tone and looks like some kind of a mecha style. The two orange buttons on both sides are eye-catching. The feedback when pressed is also solid. It actually looks like a smart band but comes with a larger screen and more delicate build quality. As a rugged wearable device, there's another advantage for the compact Tank S1, the super lightweight at only 52 grams. And the strap is also skin-friendly, so you can barely feel it on your wrist even for sleep uses. The screen glass cover is a bit curved, which visually diminishes the sharpness and also makes it look more elegant. And the glass here is a piece of Corning Gorilla Glass, so the Tank X1 can provide a pretty decent drop and scratch resistance. The KOSPER Tank X1 features a 1.47-inch AMOLED display with 198 by 368 pixel resolutions, and the AOD feature supported is really impressive. In continuous AOD mode, it truly kept the display on with showing information like time and the notification, while some watches may offer a fake AOD feature in order to extend battery life. In reality, they're not exactly always on. I like the built-in dial style, simple and straightforward. It covers most of the tracking data that I want to check on the watch. If you want to see the specific data of a particular tracking, you just need to click on the card on the home page and you will be redirected to the corresponding applications. And it has a good brightness for outdoor uses. Everything is laid out for you in a natural way, even in bright sunlight. Thanks to the exceptional shell, now I can understand why it claims IP69K and 1080M waterproofness. It means that the watch can withstand the equivalent of 100-meter water pressure, which makes it hard to test its limit of water resistance. But here we still did a simple watering test for it. We plunged it into a tank filled with water. Although not up to the ultimate water pressure it could withstand, we thought up to 2 hours of testing time might have embarrassed it. Unfortunately, it stood up to the challenge and didn't lose any function in the water. In addition, the Smart Band has earned up to 15 US military standard A10H certifications. With all these certifications, I think it probably can battle with you through most environments on Earth. And this is also the first time we've seen such tough protection on a Smart Band. I dropped it on a hard ground at 1.5 meters high and even from the second floor several times, but it coped with this level of impact with ease. The built-in software is also versatile enough with 70 sports modes and various health tracking features such as 24-hour heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen detection, sleep tracking, blood pressure measuring, and so on. There's a little difference between this and a pricey regular smartwatch on the market. You can also use other built-in features such as controlling the connected phone's music playback and as a remote control for the camera shuttle. And there's a massive selection of watch faces in the official phone app, KOSPET Fit. One very thoughtful detail is that the Smart Band has 10 system languages for options, which already covers wider users in most parts of the world. The only unfortunate thing is that it doesn't have a built-in GPS sensor, so it still relies on the assistance of the phone for positioning. But it doesn't seem realistic to ask so much for a Smart Band that costs less than $80 US. As for battery life, we did ask more than we would for a regular watch. Fortunately, it didn't disappoint, as the Tank X1 can last for half a month for every single charge under heavy use. We kept almost all the healthy tracking on AOD and have 1 hour exercise tracking per day. It could still last for over 2 weeks. This is largely in line with KOSPER's claims of battery life. So as officially stated, it should also be able to stay functioned for 50 days in standby mode. Before we draw a conclusion, we want to share our thoughts about a good rugged smartwatch. First, we hope it could last long for each charge, since we may use it for long outdoor adventure or road journey. Second, it should be waterproof and dustproof as well to maintain an ultra-stable performance in harsh environments. Third, it must be solid with excellent build quality to withstand strong impact and drops. We surprisingly found that the Tenga X1 is almost the best option to meet all these needs at the same price. The smartband was recently launched globally for $69, and now you can click the link down below to check more information and even get it with a further discount. I'm pretty sure some of you may like the budget rugged smartwatch, so don't miss it. So that's all about it. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching. And we're from Gizmochina. See you soon.